things were honestly better than I would have even hoped. My wife and I moved up to Sandpoint about 10 years ago, and 6 months or so ago, we started to have some water leaks, which is what first brought me to Sunlight.
Some factors you considered when choosing a company to fix those issues.
A quick Google search, and you guys came up, had good reviews, so gave you guys a call. Basically, just impressed with the first crew that you all sent out here to help us out. It's the middle of winter, crummy weather. They hopped right up there and got it fixed, so I wasn't having active water leaking into my living room.
Have your overall experience with our company from?
Honestly, it's been fantastic. It has exceeded my expectations. The timeliness of the communications, the bid process, outlining the scope of work, really knew what to expect. It's a comfort level knowing that when you call, somebody will pick up the phone, they'll answer a text, they'll get back with you.
Are there any challenges or concerns?
You know, when you're doing a whole roof replacement, I think you would expect that there's always going to be maybe one or two things that come up. The only thing that wasn't exactly what I maybe thought it was going to be was probably the most minor thing. We were doing a snow break up on the front part of the roof here, and I had asked if there was any way that the metal piece could be painted to match the rest of the roof. And within 2 hours, I'm on the East Coast on vacation. I see a picture, which was great. You upload everything as you're doing it. I see a color match that I thought maybe could be a little bit better, made a suggestion. Within an hour, they got right back to me and said, hey, how about we take it over, get it powder coated, we'll get it back up there. And it just made it perfect. So, it was the most minor of things, but it was important enough that they actually really got on top of it. The quality of the people that you all sent out. Every single person here would be somebody that I would be pleased to have them on my property. I can tell that they're experts at what they do, and they're just nice guys. And so that part has been actually a little bit fun.